Hi Reticence, it's our day 2 here in Pattaya, and this time we will be visiting Sanctuary of Truth.
After mo mag-pay ng ticket, you need to head to the parang tourist area kasi sabay-sabay papunta dun.
Quick trivia lang guys, walang pako na ginamit dito. You will spend half day here kasi magtutour muna sila giving you information before nyo ma-explore ang lugar.
This is a must visit museum kasi marami kang matutunan behind those structures.
Sunod namin na pinuntahan guys is the House of Benedict. Napaka-IG worthy, so ready your camera. Dito na rin kami nag-lunch. Third on our list is the Nungnok Garden. Sa lawak ng area guys, we decided to grab the package na may bus ride to explore the place. Nakaka-amaze kasi they're giving job opportunity to the people of Thailand. And yeah, well-maintained ang area, napakalinis. Last for today is a floating market visit.
In order ko po ay the chrysanthemum tea and then garlic,
Floating market po to.
I think garlic shrimp on rice.
I don't think
Gusto ko sana mag-fish pero ang mahal ng tilapia guys, 200 baht. Parang entrance ko na here.
That's it for day 2 Reticence. Follow for more for day 3. Bye!